Oh, happy birthday.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Kent.
All right, with the K-E-N-T?
Yes.
All righty.
Birthday.
We'll do some Mickey ears.
Yes.
Now, Kent, do you want your age or no? I only put it if you want it.
Sure. 26.
All right. You're 26 years young. All right.
Closing in on that old though.
Cheers to many more years, huh?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna let it dry before the water hits
Oh
it.
yeah, that rain is gonna be.
You know, you came on a good day. Make sure you do Space Mountain first. Have you done Space Mountain?
Haven't
with
done the new Star Wars one.
Okay. Yeah.
It's your birthday.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. You look like a monkey. And you smell like one too. Ugh, gross.
I thought I was gonna be a kiss.
Oh, you want a birthday kiss?
Disney equality.
Are you trying to tell me something?
Yes.
Are you coming out on your birthday, babe?
That's the best time to do it. Birthday, I'm gay.
Birthday, I'm gay. Is this like...
Oh look, that's cool. Like it comes with the little hanger and the pin.
Oh, cute.
Walt.
So today is a rainy Disneyland day,
Yes.
which I'm not worried about it.
It's gonna help decrease the lines, I hope.
Ain't no rain gonna scare me.
But we are about to go spend probably 50 bucks on an umbrella.
In here looking for umbrellas. Oh, these are cute.
Snow White, look at that one. That's nice.
Oh, that's cute. Is it too dark in here or something? What is happening? Why isn't it focusing? What else do they have? Ew. Oh, these are birthdays, June. I got, it'd be better if it was Alice. Let's see. I want this one.
August? I can't even see the other one.
I want to buy this. Go ahead. Have a great day.
Oh, thank you. You too. Smells good. What are we even smelling? Is it the Mexican food?
A treat cart right
Oh, there we go.
Cute little. Don't let a rainy day at Disney stop you from coming because there's like no one here. Like if you look at this, there's like barely.
It's a moderate crowd. Some of the bigger attractions have some good lines, but
There's
still,
like barely
near as
anyone
bad as they have
here. I mean, granted, it's still kind of like early in the day, but still. Like, look at this. The strollers aren't that bad. Usually this thing is like packed with strollers. Like way more than this.
Like, no line for pirates. Let's go on pirates.
Oh, okay. I guess we're going on pirates
We're
right
gonna
now.
do pirates and then we're gonna do Indiana.
Okay.
Since this is my favorite ride.
But yeah, so don't let a rainy day at Disney stop you from coming here. Because it's really not that bad, and like 80 to 90% of the rides are all indoor anyway, so
Yeah.
don't let it bring you down. Just come anyways. So that's why I'm all bundled up today, and I'll probably end up looking like a frisball at the end of the day.
It's all good.
Just going on Pirates now. Yay! 5-minute wait. Look at us just going through this line right now, see? Rainy day at Disney. You barely have to wait in any lines. Like, we just got off of Big Thunder Railroad. We only waited 5 minutes for that too, so.
Yep, that was almost
See?
walk right
And it's
on.
a Sunday. So.
Sunday.
So yeah. Hey babe, I think your girlfriend is hiding over there somewhere. Can't really see her though because she's being hidden.
Who, the cast member or Rapunzel?
Rapunzel. Your girlfriend is right over there. She's hiding behind these person's legs. There she is. There's your girlfriend. Right right there. I'm gonna tell her that it's your birthday. Yep.
No.
Yep.
Not unless it comes with cake.
It's bright outside now.
The sun came out now. I think it's probably gonna rain again because it's supposed to be like on and off today. But we decided that we're gonna go get some hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
Can you guess where we're gonna go for hot chocolate? I guess we'll find out, huh?
It's a type of deli, but it doesn't have any deli foods in it.
So I got the Ghirardelli. It won't show it. Anyways, I got the Ghirardelli hot, like salted caramel, hot
Sea salt, caramel.
sea salt caramel hot chocolate, and he got the same thing. Does it taste good?
It's delicious.
I'm like, so it's good?
It's delicious.
Delicious?
You might want to mix it around a little bit, like the first 3 or 4
I
drinks
don't-
are all.
I don't have a stir thingy.
Oh, well, like, I don't know, swish or see if they have one in there. Because the first 2 or 3 drinks I got was all whipped cream.
It's really good.
First drink, what do you rate it?
It burns my insides.
Burns out of insides out of.
Out of 10. I'm just kidding.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Okay, so that's the Ghirardelli sea salt caramel hot chocolates. Delicious.
I almost forgot to mention, when we first went in, they gave us a free milk chocolate caramel mini chocolate. And then when we got our drink, they gave us a Ghirardelli milk chocolate. It's the little things. How's
Just
your
ate the caramel
chocolate?
one. Just ate the caramel one. It's good.
Duh, it's always amazing because it's freaking Ghirardelli, that's why. It's always bomb.com.
Told you it was a deli.
It's a deli of
It's
chocolate.
a deli that doesn't serve any deli foods.
Deli of chocolate.
It's delicious.
Do I look like a frisball yet?
Not really, just a tangled mess.
A tangled mess.
That was the Disney pun.
I was telling Kent that I look like a mom because I'm all bundled up. Like, we took a picture together, and I was like, I look like a mom. Mom. Because moms are always bundled up when it's cold. Like my mom. My mom is always bundled up in like sweaters and scarves and like beanies and gloves. She's always bundled up, so that's why when I saw myself with the scarf, I was like, I look like a mom. So I look like my mom.
Because moms stopped worrying about how they look and just had a stable up.
Yeah.
Which I guess makes me a dad because. I
No,
really
but
don't
you
care what I
look
like.
handsome. You're
It's
all-
just a coincidence.
It's just a coincidence.
I'm also warm. And that's the first priority.
Oh. So this used to be Luigi's Flying Tires, and obviously you could tell they're doing stuff to it. And I don't know if you could see, but there's like a little car, and it looks pretty interesting.
It almost looks
can't-
like it's gonna be like go-karts or something like that.
It looks really cool though. I'm kind of excited. And I think they are renaming it like, what is it?
Rollickin' Roadsters.
Rollickin' Roadsters. Look at that. That looks rad. Hi.
Hello.
Where are we?
Disneyland.
And where?
The Blue Bayou.
For what?
For dinner.
For what kind of dinner?
I don't know. Maybe my
For
birthday.
your birthday dinner?
For my birthday, I guess.
Did I surprise you?
You did.
Yeah.
I didn't see that coming.
Huh?
I didn't see that coming.
Ah, the birthday boy. You're gonna make me spend like $120 today.
Good.
Good. Yeah, happy birthday. This is your birthday present. That's all you
Fair
get.
enough.
Get this expensive dinner that we're gonna get. That's your
It's more
birthday
than you
present.
got on your last birthday. So.
I know. But I love you no matter what.
I love you.
Yay!
Happy birthday.
Alright, make a wish and blow out your candle.
Yes. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. I
Yay! Alright, first bite. Can you do it? You have room for our first bite? Very sweet, huh?
It is. It's like straight fudge.
Hey babe, is your girlfriend here? Is she home? Go see if your girlfriend's home. Let's see. Yeah. Go knock on her door and see if she's home. Is she home?
Oh, that's a real door?
She's not home.
Oh.
Good night, guys.
Now I lay me down to sleep.
I've gone full Disney. I'm just gonna pass out right here. This is actually pretty nice. Like looking up, there's like all these like petals and stuff.
Let's get Ashley's eye view. I don't know if I'm getting it, sorry. But there.
Those little flower lights are there.
So very peaceful.
Huh?
So peaceful.
This camera doesn't capture darkness very well, so like I can only film in well lit areas. Are you modeling, babe? I think so.
That's what
Handsome.
this is, right?
Do the smolder.
Yeah. There we go. That's comfortable.
Okay, good night.
Actually, that is comfortable.
Isn't it? It's actually pretty comfortable.
I don't know how the hell this is the least comfortable, but it is.
Oh my god. Birthday boy tired?
I'm gonna take a nap right here.
I'm taking a nap right there.
I'm
Okay,
gonna take a
bye.
nap right
Okay.
here.
Okay, bye. I'm gonna leave you. We're stuck on the car's ride.
Interior work lights, please turn off.
Oh my god, all the lights are turning on in here. We're stuck on Cars Ride. Hey, at least we're next to Lightning McQueen.
Turn on the lights now.
Here's something you don't really get to see a whole lot. They have it going all the way back down there.
The oil
Stanley is all the way down there.
The Lubo-Rama.
Very interesting.
Kind of cool. It's just like, it's a little bit different than, you know, what they have outside, but if you, there's Luigi's tires and a couple other stores,
yeah.
and then, so it's almost like Inception, like,
Oh yeah,
think about
very
it, like
true.
back where Stanley is, if you were to take a right, that's where you would get on this ride,
Yeah.
but it's inside of the ride.
Look at there's little tail lights right there. Well, that's cute.
Well, that's going to be the end of this amazing, very fun birthday here at Disneyland. It was a really rainy and very different day, but I liked it. It was still very fun. We got to
There's
do
like barely
everything.
anyone here.
Yeah, the crowds were pretty dead. You know, there wasn't too much going on. All in all, I'd say it was a really good day. Very, very satisfying.
Yes,
All right.
very much.
Well, now I'm 26, and
He's an old-
it's feeling real.
Old man.
Feel it in my bones. I'm old, and now I'm gonna go to sleep, recover for a day or two.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. You're welcome.